I don't know who needs to hear this message, but I'm praying that it's going to find your heart space if you need it. In 3 days, by January 26th, everything is going to change in your life. You're going to get the support. You're going to get the courage. You're going to get the strength. You're going to be exactly where you need to be to receive your blessing. And this blessing in particular is a safe container. I don't know if it's a place or a person, but with this situation, and I'm hearing a person, most definitively for you, if you found this message. This person is going to be a safe container for you to express all of your trapped emotions, your wounds, your traumas. They're going to understand who you truly are because you made that choice to align 111 with your true authentic self. There is something that you just did, that you made, a move you just made, I'm hearing. To be vulnerable with yourself, to accept where you come from, to see beyond the veil. And this is allowing this person to treat you exactly how you deserve to be treated. This person is going to understand you beyond your imagination. It was 144. You're going to be treated as a seer that you are, as a queen or as a king that you are. This person is going to soothe your pain. This person is going to understand you. You are going to be sent the person that God designed for you. It's going to be your kingdom spouse. It's going to be your queendom spouse. You deserve it. You worked so hard for it. Do you know what it means? It means that this person is not going to judge you. I'm talking to a soul that has grown in a very toxic environment, very toxic mother or father, and you're here to repair the lineage. Your DNA contains the trapped emotion, contain the pain, the toxicity that you have accumulated, that your entire lineage has accumulated. You, in your DNA, you have it all. And you are going to be meeting a person that is going to help you transmute. Because again, this person is going to be a safe container for you to let all this pain go. You're going to feel safe with this person. You're going to feel understood with this person. This is the blessing of this new cycle that is beginning officially on January 26th. You're ready to receive. If you found this video, I'm claiming that every single person that is going to click on that video manifested this blessing. May you be blessed for eternity. Namaste.